Woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was feeling, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking over these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. Can't believe I had a girl